Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use sort functionality in pivot tables. Okay, what I have is about 277 records of sales. Okay, so we have about each product and what is the customer belong to that particular sale category, new or old, and the country. Okay, and also the four numeric columns of January, February, March and April sales. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a pivot table first, then I will show you how to use the sort function in it. Okay, so what I will do, I just select the source data. This is our source data, the full set. I'm selecting it and go and insert a pivot table. Okay, I use insert a pivot table. Then in the pivot table, create pivot table box. It shows that select a table or range, which is table or range is the our source data. Okay, this is actually, you can see here, choose the data that you want to analyze. Okay, this is the full set of source data. You can select a partial set also. Okay, then choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. Where do you want to place it? I already have a existing worksheet. That worksheet location is this sort. Okay, so here I want to place the pivot table. Okay, just put it in some of the cells in the existing worksheet. Okay, the name which I give is sort. It can be any worksheet. Okay, then press OK. Okay, so once you press OK, what happens, it shows two things. One is the pivot table area. Okay, and this is where the pivot table is going to be created. The other one is the all the fields which were available in the source data. Okay, these fields you can use it for columns and rows. You can just mingle it, and you use some calculation values here and to create the pivot table. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I use the product, and then I want the product and the sales, for example, of Jan. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that this is a simple pivot table what I have. Okay, so now I want to show you how to use the sort functionality. In the sort, we have two things here. One is the column which is products. Probably I give the names here. Other one is the sales. Okay, sales of Jan. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to see in the sales what is the maximum sales done in what products. So I want the sales to be in descending order. Okay, so how can I do that? Okay, so what I can do is that I will go and click on the any of the values here in sales, and then I right click it, then go to sort. In the sort, you can see the smallest to largest, largest to smallest. Okay, so I want it in the largest to smallest. So once I click largest to smallest, you can see here the sort become the values in the January sales become largest to smallest. So you start with 3202, which is the largest, which is from the veggie spread. Okay, the product. Similarly for the 0 is coming. Okay, actually this blank you can take it out from the product list. Okay, so just remove it. Okay, and you can see there are few products having 0 sales in Jan. Okay, these are having the least. Okay, so this way you can use this sort to work for the sales or any amount, the calculation amount here. Okay, Now when you have these product names, I instead of this sales, I want the product names to be sorted. Okay, so to sort the product names, you just go there and click and sort. Okay, so it has the A to Z or Z to A. Okay, I want to sort it for Z to A. Then you can see here the names are in descending order. Okay, you want it in ascending order, again the same thing, A to Z. Okay, so this way you can start working on each field using the sort. Okay, this way you can use the sort functionality in columns, whether it is a text column or it's a numeric value columns. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my video, you please press the subscribe button that appearing in the video so that you can subscribe to my channel, and also please leave your comments and suggestions. It will be very useful to us, and God bless you.